There are many different types of drill that we farmers can use. Look at all these different ones. Some break up the soil as they go, while others plant lots of different types of seeds that will grow into a beautiful harvest in the summer. The tractor and the drill work as a team to get the job done. I'm losing count of the number of different jobs that the tractor can help us farmers with. It's such a fantastic machine.
Sound on the farmer's way, he'll be found working hard till nighttime comes around. On the farm he's a trusty friend, a helping hand that he will lend. On the farm he will always be, driving around for all to see. The tractor is a friend to you and me. The tractor is a friend to you and me. Up and down the old farm lane, even in the pouring rain, the tractor works from morning until night. He sleeps at night in the old shed, a good day's work the farmer said, waiting for the dawn of a new day. On the farm he's a trusty friend, a helping hand that he will lend. On the farm he will always be, driving around for all to see. The tractor is a friend to you and me. The tractor is a friend to you and me. On the farm he's a trusty friend, a helping hand that he will lend. On the farm he will always be, driving around for all to see. The tractor is a friend to you and me. The tractor is a friend to you and me.
That sounds like Toots again. It must be time for a game. Hello, Toot. You have a jigsaw game for us to play? Toot is going to show us a picture of an animal that can be found on a farm. Shout it out when you know what it is. Oh, look, it's furry. Wonder what it could be. Oh, and look, it has two big horns. I know what it is. Do you? Yes, that's right. It's a cow. Moo! Well done. We'll be seeing Toot again very soon. Wow! We've already seen so many different jobs that the tractor helps us farmers with. But there are so many more jobs that the tractor can do. Follow me, and we will look at some more.